Guys, I just wanted to show you this phone. This is the Porsche Design Mate RS. I am in love. Not only do I love Porsche design, but I'm so happy that finally there's a company that has decided to not only work with a luxurious brand, but give us some pretty impressive specs. Because I feel like companies in the past simply just slap on an Armani logo or Prada logo and say, that's it, we're done. Now, when you actually spend more, you're getting the best of the best. So this is basically like the P20 Pro, a little bit smaller, but it's got slightly different specs, better specs. It's got a 6-inch screen that is also curved from the sides, just like, you know, Samsung devices. It's 2K and it's OLED. It's got 6 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage. You've also got 4,000 milliampere of battery, and also you've got that wireless quick charge, 10-watt wireless quick charge, which is pretty impressive. We've got the IP67 water and dust resistance, nice. If we look on the sides, you can see that we've got that SIM card tray, so you can put multiple SIM cards. You've also got that speaker at the bottom with the microphone, and of course charged with USB-C. On the right-hand side, we've got that volume rocker, so you can, you know, lower and raise the volume. We've got the power switch, which got a slightly different texture to it. I'm going to try to get that a little bit more focused so you can see. That's really nice. On the top, we've got that laser IR blaster, and we've also got the microphone. Now, if you look at the back, you see that we've got 3 cameras. We've got a 8 megapixel, 40 megapixel, and 20 megapixel camera. The 40 megapixel camera is the main one, that's the RGB one. The 20 megapixel one is the black and white, and the 8 megapixel camera helps you with zooming in 3x optical zoom or 5x hybrid zoom. That's very cool. You've got your warm dual tone flash, you've got warm and cold right over here. It's got that Leica branding because yes, this is not just working with one luxurious brand, they're working with 2, Leica and Porsche Design. You've got that fingerprint scanner right here on the back, which actually I feel like is in the perfect location. It's also got a fingerprint scanner in the screen itself, so they're giving you a choice. You can either use a fingerprint scanner or even face unlock if that's what you're interested in, or you could use this. And I love choices. You can skin this out, you can deck this out, and I think that, you know, nobody can disagree, you know, that having a beautiful phone that gives you lots of different options is something that's very impressive, and something that we all seek. We've also got a Kirin 970 processor. It's an octa-core processor, 2 4-cores. Actually, I like to be a little bit more specific because when you say octa-core, I feel like it's 8-core, but it's actually 2 4-cores. You've also got, what else can I mention that is actually really special, besides, you know, the fact that it's got 2K screens. You've got 917 frames per second slow-mo recording. It's got some really great software working, integrating, you know, with Android. Instead of going ahead with, let's say, Bixby or putting in your own assistant, Huawei has decided that they wanted to use the deep integration with, you know, Google Assistant, which I think a lot of people will also appreciate. So this is the red one. Let me just go ahead and put this to the side. Let's go ahead and look at the black one real quick. So you can see that this is what the black one looks like. It has got a ceramic coating to it. Nice. I really like, you know, that feeling. That's really mirror finish. But in regards to the fingerprint, I feel like they put that coating that reduces, you know, fingerprint smudges, or at least makes it easier for you to go ahead and wipe it away. This is what the black one looks like, as I said. It's got a really nice screen. It's very snappy. It does not have the notch that the P20 Pro does. So you can see that notch on the top. So if you're not a notch fan, maybe this is the phone that you would like to go with. And I think we can all agree that from the front, from a distance, if you didn't see the Porsche Design logo, you know what phone that this looks like. You know, looks like an S9, let's admit it. But it doesn't mean that it is any less beautiful. It is amazing. I think that this is my favorite phone ever. The only thing that I dislike, of course, is the price. The price is actually quite expensive, and I'll put the pricing in the description below. But you could see that that is also a plus point, because if you have a phone that is expensive, then maybe, you know, less people will have it. You'll be a little bit more unique. Maybe, I don't know. And plus, they've given you choices. So if this is not the device that you can afford, or you think that is worth spending the money on, then you can go ahead and take the P20 Pro. And if this is not a device that you want to spend the money on, then go for the P20. Huawei is giving you choices, and that's what I appreciate. This is the Twilight color, by the way. Take a look at that. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because thumbs are free, but they mean a lot to me. And thank you so much to Huawei for coming on, you know, inviting me over so that I can check this out. Man, I love this phone. Take care.